Hi senior infants, this is your busy maths tutorial for the Wednesday the 3rd of February. So we are going to take a look at pages 78 and 79 today, and we are looking at directions again. So if you remember the left and right page from before, if you hold out your two hands in front of you, okay, you have your right hand pointing like that, and you have your left hand pointing like that. If you look at your left hand, it actually makes the shape of an L, a capital L. If you can see it there, going down across the down the fingers and across the thumb, and that makes an L shape. So you can always tell your left from your right. If you get stuck as well, you have this girl here. You can see her left hand and her right hand. So first things first, you'll have to get yourself a little marker. By marker, I mean a little toy person or a toy animal. I have a chicken. So I'm going to start off with my chicken, and I'm going to put it onto the starting square. Okay, because it says here in part A, start at the house. Start at the house. Move up one square. So let's start off with the house. Okay, so here's our chicken. Start off with the house, move up one square. So he goes up one square. I am at the tree. I am at the tree. So you can actually write that in there. I am at the tree. Okay, now you follow the arrow. The arrow goes across here to part B. Turn to your left. Okay, so that's the important part. We turn to our left. So he's facing up this direction. He turns to his left. Okay, so he just turns left. Okay. Move forward 2 squares. I am at this. So move forward 2 squares. 1, 2. I am at the lake. I am at the lake. So we'll write that down too. I am at the lake. Now we follow the arrows which go down this way to part C. Turn to, so we'll follow that. Turn to your right. Move forward 1 square. Now this is where things get tricky, okay? Because if you're talking about yourself, the boy or girl who's doing this exercise, you might say turning to the right means turning this way, okay? Because right is over that direction, so you might turn this way. But we're talking about the chicken here, okay? He started at the house, or she started at the house, moved up, turned left, moved forward 2 squares, and she is the one who is turning to the right. So to her right, if you look at her, her right is this direction. Okay, she turns to her right, this direction, which is actually up for us. So she turns to her right. Move forward 1 square. 1 square forward. I am at the school. I am at the school. So that's the tricky part of it, okay? That's the part that throws people every year, because you're not moving her to, let's see, she was at the lake, wasn't she? So you're not moving her, she's facing this direction, you're not moving her to your right, you're moving her to her right, and her right is this way, okay? And then she goes forward 1 square. So watch out for that. If you just make sure to remember that every time it's giving directions, it's talking about the chicken, not about you. So if you're turning the chicken to the right, you're turning the chicken to her right, or if you're not using a chicken, you might be using something else. You're turning your toy to its right, not to your right, okay? So just watch out for that, and I will see how you get on with that. I'm going to post this tomorrow with all of the correct answers down, and I want you to take a look at that and see if you got it right or where you went wrong. Best of luck with it, guys. Slán agus gar magadh.